welcome back to my channel. Today I have really exciting news. We installed the lift! I am so excited. Thank you so much, Bendpak, for sponsoring the lift. I really appreciate you and thank you for believing in me and my channel. I cannot believe you guys sent me this lift and I'm forever grateful, so thank you so much for doing that for me. I cannot wait to build some amazing cars on this lift and this shop, and in general I can't believe this is real. The lift is not fully assembled yet, but it is anchored down to the ground and we do have the cables running. We still have not connected it. There's nothing connected, so we cannot use it right now. We are doing the electrical here in the shop. We have to run a 220 volt, so we're waiting on that and then we could start using the lift. But we kind of did a mistake over here. Well, the boys, not me. So the lift is not symmetrical, it's asymmetrical, which goes in like that. If you guys can see, it's not straight, it goes at an angle, and over here we had thought that it went straight. Now you might be wondering, hey, there's instructions. I know, they're right here, you can check out the manual. And now we have to drill these out and then cover it with concrete. It was a small hiccup, but we got it done. Listen, oh, that was a burp. Listen, it was a small hiccup and it happens. Unfortunately, it happened yesterday and it stressed me out that I had to walk outside because I was incredibly pissed. But, you know, sometimes you just have to like go outside, take a breather, sit it out for 5-10 minutes and then go back at it. Thankfully, Home Depot had the right anchors for us. Thankfully, Home Depot had the anchors that we needed and we installed the post. We went ahead and we got these anchors. I'm going to show you really quickly what they look like. They are very similar. They are very similar to the ones that Bendpak sent us. They do come with a nut on the top and a washer, but everything is like disassembled in the box. And yeah. Anyways, we got it up and hopefully we can get it running in the next couple of days, but we do need to bring an electrician in to fix our wiring because we only have 110 and not 220 to run this 10,000 pound lift. Now you guys are probably wondering, why did you get a 10,000 pound lift? Well, we want to work on trucks later on in the future. I don't know what's gonna happen, guys, but it's good that we have a lift like this to work on bigger cars as well, so that just doesn't limit us to JDM baby cars. And when I say JDM baby cars, like my FRS or the 350Zs, you know, we are able to handle other projects, which I'm excited about. Please do not judge us. I know we should have read the directions, but shit happens, and hopefully we can get this done right in the next couple of days. And yes, we did have a professional mechanic come and install this. I don't want you guys to think that we had a random person come install the lift. If you guys follow Bobber's channel, you guys know of Jay. Jay is a close friend of mine and Bobber's as well, and he is a trained mechanic and he has installed lifts before, so he had absolutely all the knowledge and as well as the tools to help us install. Now, where we messed up anchoring the post, no one bothered to read the directions, but it was an honest mistake because everyone thought that it was a symmetrical lift, but it was asymmetrical, and that's where we messed up. But it's fixed, and hopefully we can get it running. Okay, we are currently having a little bit of an issue. The person that we hired to come get the lifts off of the truck didn't come in today. And now me and Bob are kind of like struggling to figure out how we're going to get these heavy lifts off of this truck. I don't know how that's gonna happen. From a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
10? I'm actually nervous. My nervous level is also at a 10.
Oh my god. So we don't have a forklift to bring the lift down, but he's working magic right now and making it come out of the truck. Hopefully we can get it down here so we can take it apart and bring it inside. But honestly, this was the worst thing to ever happen to us at the moment because that thing is so heavy. So we ended up having to get a tow truck to get the lift onto the tow truck from the actual truck and bring it into the garage, which is now empty. We removed all the Z's and we have a couple people here with us trying to figure this out. Want to thank Sharon over here for the Starbucks. Thank you. There we go. We got Carolina over there doing the tints. She's doing a great job. Nash is just hanging out. Hi. He's doing that. Bobber's doing that. Jay's doing that. I don't know whose dog that is. Nash finally sat down. She's very tiny, so it looks really big, the seat. So my mans need to sponsor him so he could get a new pair of Yeezys. In the eyes of an angel. I'm not gonna rest easy until I see it actually installed on the floor.
This is the Nosh takeover of Macbeth's vlog.
I'm part of it.
Everybody seems to having real conversations. We're talking to a camera. I feel like you and I can be vloggers, this one. Maybe. This feels good. This feels good.
That concrete is gonna be pregnant in 9 months. Wait, sorry.
It's like fucking spot on.
4 inches?
Yeah. Look,
Maybe. Wait,
Check
is
the
the
little
hole on the ground 4 inches, or is
like
the
at the
base?
bottom of this.
Okay,
4
perfect. That's
inches.
perfect.
No, but look, check.
What?
Look, check.
Yeah, perfect. Bro, mine and Christian's measuring skills, elite.
You'll see.
It's not even like flashing.
Yeah, it's not. So this thing's 30. I'm better than 4, right? You're about to hop on the ladder.
We finished installing the bolts in the concrete and everything's torqued to spec. Big shout out to Jay for doing the work and Bobber as well. We're gonna do a quick outfit checklist, and we got the little fucking cheetah print, you know what I'm saying? We got a little bralette, you know, we got the sweatpants going on. We got the panda ones, you know what I'm saying? We're looking cute. We're looking cute. I'm dyeing my hair on Friday. I'll give you $5 if you can guess what color I'm doing. I just can't believe this is real. I am living my dream. And quickly, guys, thank you so much, Greg Sanchez, for sending me this Nissan flag. I read your letter, and I am so thankful and grateful that you bothered even sending me a letter with such cute handwriting. A lot of people can't read script, but I can, and I just think his handwriting is so beautiful. I'll show you really quickly, like a little bit of it. It is beautiful, and not a lot of people know how to read script nowadays. But if you guys want to send me any flags for the shop, my P.O. box is in the comments down below. You guys can go ahead and send me some, or some artwork or anything, because I am putting some flags here, and I'm also putting flags in my garage at home. So if you guys want to, you can. You don't have to. I'm not forcing you, but thank you so much, Greg. I really appreciate it. I think I'm spending more time here than I am at home, which is not a bad thing, but damn. Okay, so the office area is a little bit messy, and mostly my side because I have a lot of shit, but I am bringing back my t-shirts, and I hope you guys know that I make everything myself. So I have my vinyl cutter over here. I cut everything from this machine, and as well as my heat press right here, and I do all of the t-shirt printing, all the sticker, the vinyls, everything that I sell in my shop minus the air fresheners and posters, I make myself. So go down below, go check out the Mick merch and get yourself some Mick Levin. Know that I make all of it myself, and that's why sometimes it takes a while, but I apologize because I want to get better at this and eventually not have to do this myself. I would love to have a company just do it all for me, and I won't have to worry about it. I am currently working on a bunny design with a helmet, and I'm not sure if I'll be releasing this anytime soon, but I was just playing around with this and I still have a lot of work to do. But if you guys like this, let me know. I'm working on it and hopefully I'm gonna put like my name or something there. But the whole point was, since I have a rocket bunny, I wanted to do like a race car bunny type of thing instead of just putting my Macbeth logo on everything, just to have like an actual logo that is unisex and everyone can wear. By the way, I did my nails. How long do you think they'll last? I don't think very long.
Think I fell in love with a dancer. She and my body got me throwing all these bands up. The way she read up on me should be recorded on camera. Nobody's done it better, you a baddie with no manners. I know you better, you nigga, you a game though. I get what I want, get is you is what I plan. So already get your wedges by me talking, yeah. I get on your nerves, but you love it, yeah. Beat it up till you buzz. Hit the G spot for your knees till you buzz. Rounds after rounds have you screaming your lungs. Just cause I know that doesn't mean that I'm done. Freaking the sheets, my beats make you numb. All of them niggas that you fuck with a dub. I can tell that they don't satisfy you enough. I can tell that nobody like me beat it up. Beat it up till you buzz. Hit the G spot for your knees till you buzz. Rounds after rounds have you screaming your lungs. Just cause I know that doesn't mean that I'm done. Freaking the sheets, my beats make you numb. All of them niggas that you fuck with a dub. I can tell that they don't satisfy you enough. I can tell that nobody like me beat it up. Weak for the love, I know it's me that you want. He was a dub, now she want me to clean it up. Could've had me from the start, but you just have not.
You guys don't know it yet, but my first track day is April 15th, and I'm so excited. I signed up for the New Jersey Motorsports Park beginner course in Jersey. And I'm gonna be there for the first time, my first track day, and I wanna have everything done. I wanna get the seats installed with, oh, you guys haven't seen the seats! You guys haven't seen the seats? Oh my God, you guys haven't seen the seats? We have Status racing seats, and thank you so much, Status, for sending these out to me. I am so happy. Guys, can you tell the excitement in my voice? Because I am definitely having a great day, but these are the new seats that are gonna be in the 350, and hopefully my seat brackets come in time. I'm still waiting on them. It's been 3 months, but the brackets that I ordered are from Japan. They're from Buddy Club, and they're coming all the way from over there, and it's gonna take a while for me to get them. I did order them in the very beginning of January, so praying that I get them at the end of the month, but I'm not sure when those are gonna come in, and I cannot install those until I get those seat brackets. Now, I would love to install everything and go on the track with my harnesses, but as well, I do not have my roll cage, and I need my roll cage in order to install my harnesses correctly. So that is something that I have to wait on, and unfortunately it's not here yet, but you know what I'm saying, we're gonna have to make do with the stock ones. I'm up for the beginner course, so I'm very excited to go and spend the whole day at the track. I don't know what's gonna happen. Honestly, we might blow the motor, I might break a fucking brake pad or something. Something's gonna break. You guys have any information or any good tips on how I can go about my first track day, please leave me some suggestions down below. As always, guys, I read all the comments, and you know, I read them, I pay attention, I do, so please, let me know in the comments down below. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much, Bendpak, from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate you guys sponsoring me, and for every single person that's been watching my videos, thank you. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!